In recognition of Veterans Day, ECU Health's 9 hospitals across eastern North Carolina took a moment to come together at 9:05 a.m. Thursday to recite the Pledge of Allegiance and recognize the service and sacrifice of those that have served in the United States military. The events across the system recognized more than 500 veteran and active duty team members at ECU Health, along with the many veterans at the Brody School of Medicine at East Carolina University. At ECU Health Medical Center, veteran team members, spouses and team members at large gathered around the flagpole in front of the hospital to reflect and celebrate. The ceremony included a moment of silence and reflection, as well as a roll call for each branch of the military. ECU Health Chief Operating Officer and ECU Health Medical Center President Brian Floyd shared remarks during the event and said it's an honor to work with veterans who choose to continue their life of service in healthcare. ECU Health team members gather around the flagpole in front of ECU Health Medical Center for a Veterans Day recognition event. When we say thank you, we say thank you for your service then, but we're really saying thank you for caring enough to serve, for being willing to give your life in service to something bigger than you, Floyd said, evidenced by the fact that you served in the military. Then you chose to come to Greenville, North Carolina at ECU Health and continue to serve the needs of others. Dr. Tim Weiner, pediatric surgeon and surgeon-in-chief at Maynard Children's Hospital, served in the Navy as a commander and retired from the military in 2019. He said the event was a great opportunity to recognize what it means to give your life to service, both in the military and in healthcare. I'm a service-oriented person. The institution is as well, and I think it's very important to focus on something bigger than yourself, and this event commemorates that, Dr. Weiner said. We have to look beyond ourselves and share the gifts and talents we have. The mission of ECU Health really aligns with that personal ethic for me. Army Services prepares flight nurse for time with EastCarePaul Johnson, flight nurse with EastCare at ECU Health, joined the Army as he'd always dreamed and served as an airborne infantryman. He said his time in the military prepared him for his role as a flight nurse. Johnson's teams have always been first on the scene, from his time as a paratrooper to his current role in EastCare. He said it's a position he's learned to thrive off of and embrace. The Army taught me to continue functioning under stress. To be successful and to make sure that patient has a good outcome, you have to focus on the task, Johnson said. You have to maintain focus on the patient. Just like in the Army, you have to maintain focus on the task, on the situation. That has helped me a lot.